Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's short video, I'll show you how to easily change the keyboard language on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open any app where the keyboard appears, such as Messenger, WhatsApp, or Notes. When the keyboard opens, tap on the settings icon or G icon. Then go to the languages option. Tap on Add Keyboard. Search and select your preferred language. You can also enable multilingual typing if you want. Then click Done. Now, while using the keyboard, press and hold the spacebar. You will see the language switch option. Select the language you want. Now you can easily type in multiple languages. Switch between languages quickly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment which language you use, share it with your friends, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.